Po, magandang binibini. Another quarter turn sa inyong kanan. Ayan. Another quarter turn to your right, please, ladies. Young ladies, Celine. And for your last quarter turn to your right, please. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our first three candidates in their swimsuits. Diba?
Kasi sinabi ka, last na talaga na mo pagharap.
Kaya mo din yan tayo.
At syempre ang ating
pangalawa.
Yan. Syempre ang ating violet blue. Syempre, candidate number 4, 5, and 6. Please step forward.
Ayan.
Yes, Kuya Pepay.
So ako na pala. Ayan, mga magagandang munting binibini. Quarter turn to your right, please. Kanan. Ayan. O diba, kagagandang bata. Another quarter turn to your right, please. Candidates, another quarter turn to your right, please. And for your last quarter turn to your right, please. Oh, project ulit. Ano ka? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our second batch.
Sige na, kayo talaga.
Nagmamadali, hindi ba? Tayo lang.
May lakad kayo. Paano? Sige na, tawagin mo na ko.
I got lost. Okay. Mga magagandang binibini, can I ask for quarter turn to your right, please? Ayan. Project. Another quarter turn to your right, please. Second to the last quarter turn to your right. And for your last quarter turn to your right, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the last batch competing for the swimsuit competition.
Naiintindihan ko na kung bakit sila nagmamadali.
Exactly. Kailangan gusto nila project. True. Diba? Full of attitude.
Alright, maraming salamat, girls. Ngayon naman ay maaaring tayong lumabas ng ating entablado. Maraming salamat.
We will be seeing them again in their formal wear. Maya-maya man lang. Diba tayo? So, thank you very much.